Hi guys, I want to jump in here to show you. This is what they call cake collar or cellophane cake collar. It comes in a nice tube. I can link the description below. And you can cut it according to the size of the height of the cake or the width that you want. I found it was very inexpensive. That's why I decided, you know what? Let me try this and see how good it works. So the first thing that I did was I actually cut the size that I thought I wanted it. I put the Reynolds wrap first, like so. And then I took the cake board and you're just going to put it in there. And the reason for the saran wrap is because you're going to need something to pull that cake after once it's stacked. So after that, I'm not going to worry about the size because the cellophane is going to cover it. So then you're just going to put that in there. Actually, I did it backwards, guys. Like so. I took this tablespoon and I bended it so that when I go in there, I want to make sure that I have room to spread that buttercream. The rest I'm going to let you watch.